Good morning! Today we will plant our vegetable garden. Are you ready to work?
Yes, Grandma!
We're ready!
Look! We have carrot seeds, tomato seeds, and lettuce seeds. Which vegetable do you want to plant first? I am digging a hole. Is this deep enough, Grandma? Like this?
These are carrot seeds. They are very small, but they will grow into big orange carrots.
I am putting the seeds in the hole. 1, 2. 2 seeds. Is that good? That's wonderful. Now I cover the seeds with soil. Pat, pat, pat. The seeds are sleeping now.
Now we water the seeds gently. Not too much water. Just a little drink.
Good job helping me. Time for carrots. I am making the sign. This says tomatoes, and I drew a tomato, red and round. We must put the tools away. Everything has a place. I can reach this hook. We did good work today. Now we wait. The seeds will grow soon. Let us rest.
2 weeks later, the seeds are underground. They are growing roots. Soon they will sprout.
Grandma, look! The seeds are growing. I see green plants. They are so tiny.
What are these leaves? Are these the carrots?
Where is the orange part?
Very gentle. Do not pour too hard. The baby plants are delicate. Just like this.
Wow. I did it. Grow big and strong, little carrots. I will water you every day. You can do it.
4 more weeks later, the plants are bigger now. They are growing fast in the warm sun. The garden is green and healthy.
The carrots are ready. Today is harvest day. Come help me pick them.
Wow. Look how big it is. The carrot is huge. Can I try to pull one? I am pulling. It is stuck. Wait. I can do it. Almost got it. I did it. I pulled it out. Look at my big carrot. I grew this from a tiny seed. This is lettuce. It grows in a head like this. We will cut it with a knife.
I use a sharp knife. You must be careful. Always ask an adult to help with knives.
These tomatoes are not ready yet. They are still green. We must wait. They will turn red soon. We have so many vegetables, carrots and lettuce. I cannot wait to eat them. I am helping too. I put the lettuce on the plate very carefully.
I am cutting the carrot into circles. See?
Now we can eat it for our snack. This is so crunchy and sweet. This is the best carrot ever. We grew it ourselves.
3 more weeks later, the tomatoes are changing color, from green to red. Now they are ripe and ready to pick.
Look at this big one. Wow. So many red tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold the tomato gently, twist it slowly, then pull.
Good, it comes off easily. Like this?
Exactly, that's
Yeah.
perfect.
I can reach this one.
That's right.
It is high.
Almost got it.
Grandma is helping me. Just a little further. I got it. Look how many we picked. 1, 2, 3. The basket is full. All red and beautiful. Wow. These tomatoes are heavy, but I can carry them. Careful, do not drop them. Time for a nice clean wash. We're washing them too, Grandma. I am drying very gently. They are.
Look inside the tomato. See the red fruit? And the seeds? This is very fresh and ripe.
This tastes so good. Fresh from our garden. Thank you for teaching us, Grandma. The garden keeps growing. Every week there are more vegetables. The children water and harvest.
The garden never stops. You are both such good helpers. You know how to take care of the garden now.
All right, together now. Pull.
Why are we pulling out the plants?
Are they finished? What happens now?
Now we plant fall vegetables. Different vegetables grow in cool weather. Let us plant peas.
We always put the tools away. Every tool has its special place. I remember where everything goes.
The mulch keeps the soil warm in winter. It protects the ground like a blanket.
Can we plant these big pumpkins next year? Look! And these purple carrots. So pretty. We are starting seeds inside. It is too cold outside. But they will grow in the window. The plants are getting bigger. 1, 2, 3 leaves. Soon we plant them outside.
Spring is here. Time to wake up the garden. Soon we plant again.
All right, time to plant our carrots. I remember how to do this. The holes must be this deep and this far apart. That's right. Put 3 seeds in each hole, Max. Then cover them gently. Like this. I will show you.
We planted our garden again. Soon we will have fresh vegetables.
You both learned so much. I am very proud of you. This one is mine. I am pulling my carrot. It is coming!